In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can mention someone on Snapchat. So once you've loaded up Snapchat and you're on the take video or photo screen, all you want to do is take your snap. This can be either a photo or a video. So I'll just take a quick photo. And now there's two ways of how you can go about doing this. If I go ahead and add some text by tapping on the T on the right hand panel, and then I simply type the @ symbol, you can see that my friends pop up there, so I can mention this specific account. Now the other way to do it is to tap on the sticker icon in the right hand panel, which is the third option, that little sticker. Tap on that, then you can tap on the mention and you can do the same thing. So I'll tag this person and now I have two tags on this specific snap. And then you simply just tap on the send to button. You can add it to your story, you can send it to your friends, and that is how you mention someone on Snapchat in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.